Your pool is a big investment, and at Barton Pool Company, we're here to help you protect it. Regular maintenance is the key to avoiding costly repairs, which is why we offer professional weekly service for pools and spas. Whether you prefer our basic maintenance-only service or our full maintenance with vacuuming service, both are designed to help keep your pool in pristine condition. We take care of everything, from emptying baskets and backwashing for smooth operation to precise chemical dosing and chlorinator adjustments to keep your water perfectly balanced. Our trusted technicians ensure your water is always clean and safe, while our team handles equipment repairs, upgrades, and plumbing leak fixes to keep your system running efficiently. Planning a trip? Relax and enjoy your time away with confidence. Our vacation and winter checks will keep your pool and spa in great shape even when you're not around. And if you're looking for an effortless maintenance experience, ask us about our advanced automation systems. They automatically balance your pool's pH and chlorine levels for the ultimate convenience. At Barton Pool Company, we make pool care simple and stress-free. Call or email us today to schedule your service and spend more time enjoying your pool.